I worked last year. I joined the team. He's helping a lot with mechanically also, with sponsor also. But team also very good. I'm happy with the team. Last year I win the championship. This team only. He's supporting a lot. He's every time giving new idea like that. I think in the K-Tech suspension, that K-Tech is really helped in a lot of corners like that, because handling is very good. In Kawasaki, the ultimate bike, I ride India also, same Kawasaki here also. But I like totally in Kawasaki and handling, maybe power also. So a lot of struggle in the first race because of the stop suspension. Then I moved to K-Tech, the really helped. I went in the corner, the inside, the really helped, more grip like that. Yeah, he's make a good race bike. His setup is very good. Maybe he's talking with me every time, changing different setup. That is more helpful for me. He's done good job in the bike. Yeah, he's more friends with riders. Calling with like which you want, like that. He's making the accordingly like that, setup everything. That one really helps.
Yeah, actually, Chia Motor relationship started actually after I've been racing in Malaysia now 2 years. So I have started by my own, trying my own bike first, without any team basically. Then second year I had the other team, and finally I was joined with Chia Motor. So now this year I'm using Kawasaki. For me it's the first year with Kawasaki. Before that it's been different brand. So it's a jul16, and I would say it's really lovely and different bike what I used to ride before. It's the full race kit, even it's a stock bike, but I mean there is some race kit included, installed. So it's powerful, it's dynoed, it's everything done for racing. So basically I'm racing two categories. This is the stock bike today, but I'm also participating to Open, which is all the fast riders, and I try to compete them with the jul16. Really confident with the Chia Motors for that. It's nice to communicate with these people, with owner, with people around. It's beautiful. I would confidently say I haven't had experience of it before, but if you ask me today, I'm really confident. My experience with this bike is relatively short, but I'm totally confident with the suspension. Surprisingly confident. Yeah, especially on brakes, and when you come out the corners, yes, it's giving me confidence. Nice grip, bike is stable, no any problem of it.